Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your terrific Thursday weather update. It's currently 30 degrees, cold overnight, uh, but we're going to have a day where there is the possibility of a stray shower, just because of some uh, troughs in the area, some short waves that could touch off a little shower. Friday the same, but Saturday we are going to see something we have not seen in a long, long, long time. The sun. Yay, the sun. And that'll go right through the weekend and pretty much all quiet until as we get into February, the first half, first at least the first 10 to 12 days are going to be quite calm. And that's essentially because we have this massive, massive omega block that is just dominating the central through almost three quarters of the country. So we've got disturbance out here in the west. We've got some ocean issues. We've got maybe a northern system coming through, but really nada, nothing. And that's the way it is. This block is a little bit unusually strong, I should say, for this time of year, but uh, it is set up and it's pretty much blocking anything coming east, and the storms have to go up and around, or they have to go deep into the south and come up, and that's not going to be possible for right now. So here's our weather map. We have a lot of high pressures out west near the Rockies, and then when you get past the Rockies, you get into our only stormy area that we have, and there's lots of rain and lots of snow out there in the Cascades and in highly elevated areas. There is a chance with some systems moving through, with a cold front moving through up north, but that's going to go this way. um, Touch off a few little snow showers or wet rain um, droplets. There is a system coming in here for tomorrow. There's another. This is the system that could have been producing a big snowstorm on the East Coast this week, but this is going to go. Basically, it's going to go right out and reform off the coast, but way, 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 way too far. So here's our outlook. Like I said, there's that system for the weekend. And next Monday, just kind of mosey along, go down the coast. You can see how it kind of regenerates once it's get open water, but nothing around major any land. And then we have some systems coming in for. This is probably going to be the most active period in the month of February from the 14th onward. So just to be aware. And I know I've explained this before, but what is going to be the main driver of our remaining winter is this Madden-Julian oscillation. And basically, what the Madden-Julian oscillation is, it's a indicator of it's a snapshot of the upper parts of the atmosphere and the evolution of storms in the Pacific and um, Indian Oceans, and how those storms propagate changes in weather patterns. Okay, so we are going into what's called phase 7. And this phase 7 is the start of what is a more favorable, if you're an East Coast snow hugger lover, you can see that um, this blue indicates, should indicates cold. And it's not terribly cold, but it's cold enough. And this would open the opportunity for storms to propagate and possibly even winter storms. So here's phase 8, shows a little bit more significance, cold and precipitation. So, we're moving into how should I say, we're moving into a colder phase of this main indicator. But that does not always guarantee, what could be the result. We just have to wait and see. So our weather story for the rest of the weekend looks pretty consistent. Lows in the mid 30s to 40s and highs in the low 50s for Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Some morning showers possible tomorrow. And just real quick, this is a snapshot. This is the European ensembles for probability of snow or snow totals throughout the region. And you can see there's a massive snow hole right here. So, and this is through the 11th. So I would not expect and I would not suspect any snow or any, frozen precip or to impact the area over the next 10 or 11 days. So that's it for me, Brandon Doherty, Weather Guy. Have a fantastic Thursday.